We have a very busy day ahead of us today, and we're gonna carry you along with us, but
hey, what's up? What's going on, guys?
But our neighbors are actually getting their lawn cut today, so it's a bit of a problem with the noise. So bear with us, alright? Bear with us. You won't be for long. Bear with us, alright? Agent have a lot of stuff to do in terms of taking stuff out of the car. So let's watch him unload all this stuff.
So we're gonna actually, we'll do some housekeeping, so it's a new laundry.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, what's that on the shoulder?
What do you call it? Entertainment stand? TV stand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. What? You have another box? And your handy dandy bag? Yeah. You're about to do work, babe?
Yeah.
Let's see what that bag there knows the things are going on. Guess who has joined us today? Say hi, Kyrie.
Hi. Blue.
Blue.
What are you looking at? Oh yeah, blue, yes.
Blue.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That's
Mommy's bright boy. I think so, guys, we've had this in our living room for a little while, and Kyrie has been sitting on it, trying to stand on it and climb on stuff.
You like the blue, don't you, Kyrie? You like the blue. Alright, guys, so today's video. Alright, so basically, guys, some guests just left. Yes, Kyrie? Some guests left, you know, just recently. So we're doing some housekeeping, alright, and a bit of home improvement as well.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell them what going on, Tell them what going on.
Alright, so if you remember in our previous video, we said we have a lot of stuff that we still need to do in this space, right? One of it is to kind of put some additional touches on our entertainment area. So we're going to put up a TV stand today, and we got a new device that I'm excited to talk about. I'm going to tell you when I show it to you, I'm going to tell you why I'm excited.
By the way, what is it up on your head? You forgot it?
Yeah. Let me get rid of this.
I've hold on the edges.
Get the edges all sleek, you know?
Yeah, they look nice. They look nice.
Thank you, baby.
They look nice.
Thank you. So, today's video is brought to you by DreameTech. Today have sent us the Dreame H12 Pro wet and dry vacuum. This vacuum has some cool features that we liked, and that's why we said let us give it a try to see if it makes a big difference. So you're gonna see that, alright?
In fact, you know what we have to do? Before we get to this, I just want to see what we're going with a vacuum here. I just want to see what we're going with this. So, I thought I use to clean out in here too.
Yeah.
The place is in a little bit of a mess right now. You get me, I say? Not because of the guests, but we're bringing the cleaning stuff and everything. So we have the sheet them right here, so we have cleaning supplies all over the place and stuff like that. So we're gonna start that out, but more on about the vacuum here because I'm really excited about the features I'm gonna see with it.
So this is the DreameTech H12 Pro wet dry vacuum. Is cordless, and that is awesome. You don't have to worry about plugging in anything anywhere. Just charge it at the charging bay and you're good to go. This is the charging bay, which I think is very fancy. So let's see how this works. So we sit it down.
Charging started.
Ooh. We have a digital display right here. What are you doing, guy? So all in all, I really like how the vacuum looks.
It's nice, beautiful, I love it.
Yes. One of the additional features of this is the edge-to-edge cleaning. So what that means is how it is designed to clean close to the edge of furniture, close to the edge of the wall. So therefore, you don't have like a dirt crease being left on the side, like what you get sometimes when you vacuum. Literally moving yourself. Oh, okay.
In the water tank.
Okay.
Please put the appliance
So let's follow instructions. Put it on the charging bay.
Charging started.
Guys, I cannot believe how big Kyrie is getting. Kyrie is almost 2. In 2 months time, Kyrie will be a 2-year-old. Can you imagine that? I can't even imagine that. I am floored. I am floored by how big this boy is getting right now. But anyway, look at Adrian. We actually got 2 of these. So you're gonna see us using this somewhere else as well. It's a TV stand. It's supposed to be suspended or floating on the wall. And we have our handy dandy Delprat men here to install this. Kyrie, you're going to help Daddy to install it? I'm just gonna play with the foam. Alright, you're gonna play with the foam.
I can just play with the foam. Ready? Yes, so this is
alright, so that's what it's gonna look like at the end. Yes,
so it's cool, it's neat. It has like an extension cord now, right? So it has a plug area that you plug everything in, so you don't have to stretch cord all over. So you guys will see it.
Definitely. Right. Let's look at the color though.
Yeah, look at it. It's nice, eh?
One color with the other, 2 different color.
Same color.
Same color?
For the same color.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. It's nice.
Alright. So that's what it looks like. A nice little wooden color to match our wooden theme. Are you gonna use the manual, babe, or are you gonna wing it?
No, me have to know.
Hey, my husband ramp for wing it, you know. Me have to ask him, eh? My husband no ramp for wing it.
It look confusing, and look at it. You say one of this, one of that, one of that, one of that, and I hold for different something.
Let me just share something with y'all, okay? My husband has always been the one installing these things, and I've had enough experience with him to know that it don't really matter. He never ever really fully follows the manual. He just always goes and wings it. And then when him, sometimes like, to be honest.
A level 9, which is cool, because
that's cool.
We need a level.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's nice, handy dandy.
That's cool.
I like to play one. I can use that later on for my little DIY stuff. But sometimes, like 70% of the time, him winging it actually works out. But then you have another 30% of the time when he actually has to say, alright, let's go back to the manual. But yeah. Kyrie, what are you doing? Babe.
Man, after the place. Alright, get rid of them. Take them from him, because I work hard.
And you want to put them out.
Kyrie, stop. Kyrie, I'll bite you up, you know. Watch out.
You can't leave them picking out to your side.
I'll bite them up, you know. Look at the teeth mark them. Treat.
Oh my gosh. I'm making him food for eating, though. You know, I eat the food sometimes.
Oh God.
Jeez.
Kyrie, not easy.
So Kyrie, you're going to help Daddy? Kyrie, you're going to be Daddy's little handy one today? Where do we want it? Right here?
This. Huh? What y'all think, guys? You know what I think?
Guys, we're on them bun. For all that's up here, for all it in place, for him do something, because I did this so long and we are trying to figure it out. But on them bun. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm stressed out. He might use the manual though. He is using the manual, but he's kind of stressed out.
Alright, bam.
Babe, look at me.
Yes?
You look cute and you're stressed? You know, it's you.
4. Number 4. Number 4 there.
They're all numbers, so that makes it a bit easier. But he has to, I guess, start to assemble it from the ground, then he puts it on the wall.
Oh, you go through it here, so. And go through this.
Yeah. Hey! No eating off these foam papers. Can I have it, please? Thank you.
No.
Oh. Come, let me fix back your tablet. Come. See? Come. Fix tablet for baby.
No.
Here you go, Kyrie. Here you go, Kyrie.
No, everything.
Which one do you want to watch?
Wow. Oh, that's amazing.
Pick one?
Wow.
Let me pick one for you.
One.
Gracie's Corner. Good.
Step 1, step 2, step 3. C, no, I forgot to choose one part.
And the floor, you know?
Now we don't go part.
You want to use this? Or something else?
Okay, turn that. Use a screwdriver and turn it.
Look, bend down and look at what that is doing. Come
We
on.
turn it the next time.
No, do it now, no? That would do it here? That one screwdriver on now? Let's do the other one. What's the other step? It's coming together, guys.
Carrie, what color is that? Purple? Okay. What color is that?
Green.
Green? Okay.
Good job.
Alright. Which one we can find for you?
Yay!
Alright, what color is that?
Hey.
Huh?
Hey.
What is that?
Hey.
I think you must say what in the P part now come out of there.
Okay.
And the last.
What color is that?
Come out.
Where?
Wow.
Where?
Red. Nice. Okay. Let's get back to work. Yeah. Yes.
Fascinating.
What color is that?
Green.
Huh? Huh?
Green.
Green. Good boy. Good boy.
What's the matter?
Yay!
You love, Carrie, you love celebrating it all.
What's that? Green.
Green.
What's that? Green.
Alright, so let's get going. Alright, so where are we now, babe?
Alright, so
We're at the assembly.
yeah, we're swag one. We're trying to get this thing together.
Yeah.
Yeah, try to swag one, you know? Right? Number 7 turn this way like that. Number 6 turn number 6 turn so, right? Unless not enough screw cast.
And then it must just put in
Put
position.
in position, because guess what? This is a screw against the wall, you know. So probably not enough screw pan that one. You probably just stay just like that. So based on this now, number 10. This is number 10.
Number 10, assemble like that.
yeah. Come now, come now. No, wait, hold on. Alright, push it down so that it's something off. Take your time. Make sure it's there. Push. Press. Yes. Next one.
This baby?
Yeah.
I'm screwing stuff.
Use the two hand. Hold the screw properly. Guide the screw properly. Yes. Press it. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah, that's fine. You don't have to go again. Alright, one little bit. Not too much. Yeah. Alright. Good.
Wow!
This will clear.
What about these old going at them? Alright, so basically we're gonna screw it into the wall.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the thingy through the wall and put in the plugs in it, and then he's gonna lift it up and Ari screw it.
I'm gonna try to find the right bit, so this bit look like it. You know, so.
You have an FT connection I see right here.
Yeah.
Yes, baby? Your hands.
Yeah.
What happened to your hands? You have a
I got money outside today. So you know, say, he knows this thing so much even when there's no audio. He knows it. It's good when as a woman I have a few tools around, you know?
Yeah.
Drill, screwdrivers, you know? Of course, drill with different bits as well. So I'm gonna have a call over somebody to do this.
I love a hand.
You know? We can just get this done.
Right, babe?
Yeah.
Stop screaming.
Just like that. So then make a thing they can do by your own.
Yeah, I mean, you can't call somebody to do everything. You have to kind of do something for yourself. Something for yourself, you know?
Definitely.
At least you have Kyrie. And you know you have Kyrie to help you, you know? Screw a few holes for you. You know? Put in a few plugs. Look there.
Yeah. Alright. Jay gone to school. Jay gone to school. It's morning time still, you know. Jay gone to school, so I mean, today I will soon send off Kyrie.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go on, Cass. You have a screw this in, you know. Never hold up the thing and you screw it in, alright?
Yeah, okay.
Here we go. Alright.
Is it?
Yeah, screw that one in. Yeah, look good. Yeah. So tell what you think, guys. Tell me what you think.
With this now, you can actually plug your devices. And you put your devices here for storage or you know for display for use. You can plug them in right here, so you have 4 different outlets.
And they have so you can put a plug-in device over here and it run through the card, run through the hole.
Yes.
Run through the hole. You know? Clean up, clean up.
Everybody clean up.
What's the matter, Jay? You Jay. J and K. Why I always call Jaden Kyrie name and Kyrie Jaden name, you know? Always.
That is the truth.
Jesus.
That is the truth. Alright, ready, Kyrie?
Let's go.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Yes, so DreameTech H12 Pro wet dry cordless vacuum. Remember to click the link in the description box below to get all the information, to get the links, the price, the everything, alright? So, we go see how it work.
Ready.
On.
What's the mode?
Yeah, it's like literally like it's coming out of my hands, right? And it glides by itself.
It glides easily.
Yeah, it's gliding by itself.
And look at that.
Yeah.
You see the streak because they put the detergent in there.
Yeah, so we have the water in and the detergent. By the way, it comes with a detergent.
Comes with this.
Yes.
Multi-surface floor cleaner by DreameTech. Also important to note, after this system does its own automated self-cleaning, it also dries the mop via the hot air drying technology that is built right in. So you wouldn't have that funky smelling mop at the end of the day. It detects that there's a lot more dirt on this side, so it automatically just works harder. Right up against the edge, just like that.
You can what is that? What is
In the middle?
Only, right?
Look lonely.
It's only, but I like it. I do like the upgrade. Something to the space.
Welcome the upgrade.
Yes. So I don't know how many of you are watching our videos. In our previous video, we're talking about basically our Airbnb renovation or whatever. We said we had a lot more stuff to do. We do mean that. And this is just one of the many other things that we're going to do. This area, of course, we have more plans for it. But this is the start. We have plans for a lot of other areas in the house. Because, is there ever an end to home improvement?
Yeah, exactly.
No, there's never an end to home improvement.
Yeah, well, we like the look, you know.
I like it.
That brown, it kind of match back with the coffee table.
Yeah.
You know, so it's a welcome addition. It's floating. It's modern. We like that. You know. So yeah, you know, welcome upgrade to space. So we like it.
Yeah.
You know.
So of course we're gonna have some decor stuff that we need to put on this table right here.
And you take up the sitting out of the hole. Watch it. Lord God, I don't find that.
But these kids can explore and find so they
I
know
tell
how
you.
to explore so well.
So I mean, this makes things a little more tucked. Look at things a little more tucked. So you run your wires through and have your PlayStation down here, so your cable box, whatever the case might be.
Yep.
You know?
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Carrie, arrange it how you want it. Okay, so you, Adrian, wanted it here. I wanted it in the center. Carrie wants it right there.
Yeah.
Oh, 3 different minds, right?
Yeah,
3 different
exactly.
minds. So, guys, let us know what you think about our entertainment area. Let us know what you think about the Dreame H12 Pro wet dry vacuum as well. I love the cordless feature. That's vintage for me.
Daddy.
Yes, Kyrie?
Daddy, baby.
Who is this? Who is this?
Baby.
Yeah, the baby. Yes, you're right. Yes.
The baby. The baby. They're about to turn 3 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tell Adrian to stay if you know a good for him.
There were some ideas, guys. With some ideas. Drop them in the comments.
You should ask him for ideas from a year ago, a month ago, 6 months ago. You know? By the time they see this, anniversary gone.
Yeah, so thank y'all for watching. Alright? Yeah, man.
We are happy for our little upgrades. I mean, we are taking it steps, small steps, improving on our space. And we're going to do a video basically showing you our first house tour And then when we've gotten a full way through, where we feel like we've accomplished most of our additional plans for the space, then we're going to do another video to show you how to upgrade and let you see how making little improvements to your space can really add to
impact,
the feel, the value, and even the impact, as Adrian said, to your home. So yeah, we like it. Guys, remember, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all. Give us a thumbs up for this and every other video, and go and binge watch. Binge watching our videos is not even like entertainment only. It's a valuable entertainment. Edutainment.
There you have it.
Alright?
Yeah man, so thank you all as always for joining.
Yes.
Remember, hit that like button. Alright? Yeah man. Tell them bye, Kyrie. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Yes, bye. So subscribe guys, hit the like button. Alright, we all guys.